What is up, boys and girls? Empire Steve back with you yet again. Today is Friday. It is the 13th. It was actually Friday the 13th. That could be why my trading today was not that good. On my newly funded Apex account, I gave back all of the gains from yesterday. I did not trade that great today, and I'll kind of show you exactly why real fast. But before I do, let me tell you that we're currently Apex Trader funding is 80% off. They are doing a super sale or a flash sale, whatever you want to call it. And the sale started last night and it ends Monday night on January 23rd at 11:59 p.m. That is 80% off the first month and also 80% off the recurring months as well. So basically it's lifetime 80% off on anything that you purchase in this during the sale. So I would jump on that and take advantage of it, because who knows how long it'll last. I know that you hear that all the time, but it's just what they've been throwing at us lately. I did buy, and I'm thinking about buying 9 more. I bought another 50K evaluation, and I'm thinking about buying, like I said, 9 more. We'll see how it goes. I did take one trade. I waited till the market closed today because today wasn't my favorite or best day. Typically, Fridays are not my best day when it comes to trading. Statistically, I trade really well on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, but on Wednesdays and Fridays, I do not do as good for whatever reason. But let me show you one trade that I missed today on one of my funded accounts, and it's right here. I'm going to go down to it. I got to figure out the time, so it's right here actually. So here's is in this area. So I get into the trade and it comes into and I want to say it was right here, and I got in too early. So I got in here and completely that 10 o'clock news comes in and takes me out. Just takes me out, and had I had my stop below this low here, I would have been completely fine. But I didn't want to have that much of a stop, basically. Like I didn't want, because then a lot of people would lose a lot of money. So of course, it takes me out, and then I didn't want to chase, and then look what happens, all the way up to 4,000. So I would have had close to a 25-point move, but it just didn't work out. So, excuse me. And after that, basically, it just didn't work out. It's just sometimes how the market works. You're going to have your good days and you're going to have your bad days. It's how you bounce back that really counts. So that is that. So anyway, that is pretty much it in a nutshell. So the rest of the day was kind of meh. I did wait. I took a few more trades on my funded account, but and I got to a point where I was almost break even again on the day, and it just didn't work out. You can see this big chop fest. Today's one of those days where I just wish I sat on my hands. Like just nothing panned out. Like fair value gaps weren't really for me. You can see here we see some sell side, and there's this gap right here. Although it's not 3 red candles in a row, but this one's technically, we can call it, in an essence, a bearish candle, right? Because we don't know which way it's going to go from here. It's a doji. So you have this fair value gap here. Price comes back way above it. I am almost certain that I shorted here and immediately get stopped out, and then price goes back down. I could have chased it and followed through, but it just didn't work out. And then I missed this trade here. So there were definitely plays, but I just did not catch all of them. And that's just how it goes. That's not the one I wanted to show you. It is right here. like that, and this would have been good. This would have been 405 to 409, 4.5 point scalp, depending on when you purchase, when you get in. We come in, we do wick down just a tad, just one tick, and so, but this fair value gap here held up rather nicely. And then look at that, 4,006 up to 4,024. I again was assuming that the market was going to, fail today and we were going to sell off at the end of the day, but that did not come. So it's always best to not assume. So just giving you all a little bit of my insight, and so that you can not mess up the same way that I mess up, because that's not good, no good. But anyway, I did end up taking just one short on, I'll show it to you, on NASDAQ with this 50K account that I purchased today. And I shorted right in here, and I sold pretty much down here. For a quick, just one contract, made $200. That'll be the start of this one. I got to get this to $3,000 in profit, so I'm $2,800 away. I do have another 50K funded account coming to me from Apex on Tuesday, so we'll see how that goes, and I'll try and build that one up as well. I'm going to look into copy trading all of my Apex accounts and seeing how that works. I have not done it yet, but I'm going to definitely look into that so that I can just copy trade all of them. That would be pretty cool. But that is it for me today. I hope you all had a great day. I know that my day was a little bit meh, but it's okay. Monday, or actually the market's closed on Monday, so it's not technically for futures traders. It opens on Sunday night, and then I believe it closes at 1 p.m. Eastern time on Monday. So it's basically a shortened day. But the stock market will not be opened up, so you won't be able to trade any of your stocks or options that you typically might look to be trading. That is going to be closed. Martin Luther King Day. So anyway, if there's anything that you all want me to go over in a future video, leave those comments down below. Don't forget that Apex is 80% off. My link is down below for that, so you might want to jump on that. I hope you all have a great weekend, and we will see you next week. Take care. Bye.